Hey guys, welcome to Stellar Update. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage your Stellar Lumens on your Ledger Nano S. So first of all, make sure you're running the latest version of Ledger Nano S or X, whichever you have got, and make sure you have installed the Stellar XLM app from the Ledger Live application. Make sure both Ledger Live and Ledger Nano S are up to date in terms of software. So here you can see the apps have been installed, and then go to account section here and then click on add account. Here you have to select the crypto asset, and from this drop down list select Stellar Lumens. Scroll down, or you can just type in STE and you will find Stellar XLM here. I've already added Stellar here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add another Stellar account. For that, I'm going to just click on continue here. Now it will ask me to open the Stellar app on my device. I will do that right away. Wait for a few seconds, and now it is showing me that it is synchronizing data with my Ledger Nano. Now it's telling me that I already have two accounts. So now I'm going to create another account. I'm going to name it Moon. How about that? Very cheesy name, but let's just add it. It will show you that the account has been added, and you can, believe it or not, but you can have more than one Stellar account. You've already seen I had two accounts. I just added another one. Now how to send funds on this? Click on close here and open the account that we just made. This is the one which we made. To see the receiving address, click on receive here and click on continue. It will again ask for permission on your device. It will also show you the address. Now this is the address that it has generated. Copy it and send the lumens to this very address. You can confirm this address on your Ledger Nano S or X, whichever you have got. Make sure you check that the address being shown on your screen, on the computer screen, matches the one that is shown on your Ledger Nano, and this will confirm that you are not running a pirated or a tampered version of firmware. That's it. Click on done. And if you want to send some Stellar from this account to some other account, I don't have any Stellar here, and you need at least one XLM to initiate a Stellar account. If you have some Stellar, click on send here, paste the address here, and if you are sending your Stellar to some exchange, you will have to enter the memo text ID. Just use text ID to be on the safe side. Enter the Stellar address here, memo ID with whatever you see on the screen. Click on continue, then enter the amount of XLM that you want to send. Let's say 10 Stellar account, 10 Stellar. Click on continue, and here it will show you the bounded or random network fees. I've kept them hidden. Click on continue again. Now it will ask you to confirm this on your Ledger Nano. Review the transaction and the money will go. That's it. It is that simple. Stellar Lumens is incredibly fast, and your money will be sent in just a couple of seconds. It is super fast, and that's all about it. That's how you manage Stellar Lumens on your Ledger Live. And you also learned how to manage multiple accounts on your Ledger Live. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button to show your support, and say subscribe for more Stellar news. Bye bye.